Good morning, sir. Welcome to Vitek Restaurant. I'm Sandro Espalini, happy to serve you. Are we holding a reservation for you, sir?
Yes, also.
Under what name, please?
Kian Gardberga.
Please have a seat while I check our records. Mr. Kian, we have prepared a nice table for you. This way, please.
Thank you. Anak.
Will this table be alright with you, sir?
Yes, will be perfect.
Allow me to unfold your label napkin.
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. May I serve your water?
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your complimentary bread roll with butter.
Thank you.
Sir, would you like to start with an aperitif? We have chilled sparkling wine and margarita cocktail.
No, thanks.
Alright, ma'am. I'll be back for the menu. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu and wine list for your selection?
Thank you.
I will be back to get your order, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order now?
Yes.
Sir, if you don't mind, may I know if you have food restriction or allergies?
None. I'd like to have a bacon cheese bun for appetizer.
Okay, sir. How about your soup? Would you like to try our creamy mushroom soup?
Yes, give me one serving.
How about your salad? We have Italian salad with cheesy dressing. Would you like to try it, sir?
Yes, please. For my main course, I'd like to have a beef steak with mashed potato and mixed meat.
How would you like your steak to be prepared, sir? If it is rare, medium rare, or well done?
Well done, please.
The beef steak that you ordered would be the best compliment with our Calorosi red wine.
Yes,
Would
please.
you like it, sir?
Yes, please.
In a glass or in the bottle?
In a glass, please.
How about your dessert? We have a slice of chocolate cream cake with red cherry. Would you like it to try, sir?
Sounds great. Yes, I will try that.
How about a coffee to complement your dessert?
Yes, give me black coffee, please.
Is there anything else that you would like to add, sir?
Nothing else.
Do you have a special request, sir?
None.
Alright. Alright, sir. May I repeat your order? You ordered one serving of bacon cheese bomb for your appetizer, creamy mushroom soup, Italian salad with cheesy dressing, well done beef steak for your main course, complimented with a glass of Carlos red wine, a slice of chocolate cream cake for your dessert, complimented with a cup of black coffee. Did I get your order right?
Yes.
Sir, your order will be served after 15 minutes. May I suggest a glass of champagne or a glass of lemon juice while waiting for your order to be served?
No, thanks.
Thank you, sir. May I get back to the menu card? Thank you. May I leave for a minute?
Yes.
May I present to you your order of Carlos red wine, a good vintage of 1999 with alcohol content of 5% and originating from South Korea. Shall I open the bottle for you?
Yes, please.
Here's the cork, ma'am. Hi, sir. Sorry. For your evaluation, would you like to taste it first?
Yes, please.
How's the taste, ma'am? Hi, sir.
Stays good.
May I pour you your glass?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your wine, sir. I'll be back for your main course. Excuse me, sir. Are you ready for your main course? Excuse me, sir. Here's your well-done beef steak. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of our house specialties?
Tastes good.
Thank you for your appreciating of our house specialty. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with this? May I take this now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I'll be back for your dessert. Excuse me, sir. Here's your chocolate cream cake with cherry on top. Enjoy your dessert, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'll be back for your coffee. Excuse me, sir. Here's your black coffee. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with this? May I take this now? Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present your bill? Thank you, sir, for paying the exact amount. Thank you, sir, for dining with us. We look forward for your next visit.